Today I will talk about distribution network design. This is part of my series of lectures on supply chain management. This is my lecture outline. First, I will describe the elements of customer services influenced by network design. Then I'll talk about factors affecting network design decisions. Then I'll talk about costing of distribution network design. Then I'll describe various designs. Then I'll talk about role of distributors, then decisions in design of distribution network, and then finally innovations in the distribution of services. So these are the elements of customer service which are influenced by network design. One is response time after order placement, then product variety, product availability, that is the probability of having a product in stock when a customer order arrives. Then customer experience, order visibility, the ability of the customer to track their order from placement to delivery. Returnability, the ability of the network to handle such returns. So these are the elements of customer service which are influenced by the network design. These are the factors which affect network design decisions. One is centralization versus regionalization, then energy, that is fuel and electricity consumption, flexibility for upgradation, global marketplace factors, government involvement, information system, modularity, of course, for upgradation, off-highway vehicles, pace of distribution must match shorter product life cycle, price in selection of distribution partner, this price may be considered, accountability of distribution partners, ability to handle reverse logistics, third-party logistics, special packaging, labeling, and delivery requirements. So these are the some of the factors which affect the network design. So let us see what are the costings. That is the changing the distribution network design affects the following supply chain costs. So the cost which are affected include inventory cost, transportation cost, facilities and handling cost, and information system cost. So these are various costs which are affected when we change the distribution network design. So inventory cost is directly proportional to number of facilities. So if number of facilities increase, then inventory cost increases. Local delivery cost is inversely proportional to number of facilities. So if number of facilities increases, the local delivery cost decreases. However, if inbound transportation cost is increased with increase in facilities, then total transportation cost will gradually increase. So initially, because of decrease in local delivery cost, the transportation cost decreases, but then it may increase after a certain number of facilities due to inbound transportation cost increase. So its curve is like this. And this is the facilities cost, which increases linearly according to number of facilities. So this is the diagram of various costs, and total logistic cost is equal to inventory cost plus transportation cost plus facility cost. So these three costs added together is equal to total logistic cost. Physical facilities in distribution network include manufacturer, distributor, warehouse, mixing centers, hubs or carrier, retailers, and customer. So we will see various distribution network designs about the placement of these physical facilities. So let us see one by one. This is manufacturer storage. So storage at the level of manufacturer with direct shipping. So direct shipping to customers. This is known as drop shipping. So here transportation cost is high. Manufacturer storage with direct shipping and in transit merge. So there is merge mixing center in between and storage at the level of manufacturer. And there is direct shipping to customers, no retails in between. Then this is distributor storage, which package carrier delivery. So this is storage at the level of distributor or retailer, and it is a package carrier delivery. Then distributor storage with last mile delivery. So the storage is at the level of distributor. And since it is a last mile delivery, the distributors or retailers, they are very close to customers. So they are more in number and they are closer to customers. Then manufacturer or distributor storage. Storage may be either of these levels with customer pickup. So customer, they pick up the products from these pickup sites, and these pickup sites are nearer to the customer, and there is cross-dock DC in between, which act as a mixing carrier. Then direct to store delivery. Here manufacturer, they deliver directly to various retail stores, and from where customer get the product. So what is the role of distributors? So distributors add significant value if there are large number of retailers. Then distributors improve the performance by decreasing the transportation cost with the help of aggregation of shipment. Maybe inbound or outbound shipment, they aggregate, they act as aggregator. Distributor also help in reduction of inventory cost by keeping safety buffers of inventory. So this is the advantage of having distributors in distribution network design. Then how to decide about the network design. So these are the decisions, two type of decisions are there. One is locating production plant and distribution warehouses. So it is a facility location problem. Facility location problem can be solved by using either of the three methods. One is center of gravity method, the other is location factor rating, and the third is using operations research. I have a separate dedicated lecture on facility location solution by operations research using Python language. Link is given above. The second decision is determining the best strategy for distributing the product from the plants to the warehouses and from the warehouses to the customer. So the problem here is a problem of transportation or traveling salesman problem if there is a milk run. So I have two separate operation research uh, lectures on transportation problem as well as on traveling salesman problem. The link is given above. So there are certain innovations in the distribution of services. One is the role of franchisee and rental services. The second is service integration with service linking together. For example, travel and tourism sectors, they may integrate, and the use of middlemen and both direct and indirect channels may be used. For example, hotels may sell their services directly or indirectly through travel agents, tour operators, airlines, tourist boards, centralized reservation systems, etc. So these are certain innovations in distribution of services. This is all for today. Thank you very much.